Town is a program that teaches high school girls how to code and encourages them to leverage technology to create solutions that are relevant to South Africa. Girls can elect to take different modules according to their own interests and skills. And the aim of these modules is to show girls how broad their opportunities are to contribute to the local tech industry. These could include game development, user experience design, using open data.
We have done HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and we're now learning data and how to manipulate data. And the skills I've learned is problem solving, teamwork, team building, logic, how to understand technology and just use technology to help solve some of these problems.
I feel confident because thanks to Code for Cape Town, we've learned so many different skills. We've been introduced to so many different IT modules, tech modules, data wrangling modules, and I feel confident in my skills that Code for Cape Town has provided me with.
I started Code for CT because last year it was my first time coding, so I was kind of confused what really coding was about. So Code for CT actually opened my eyes into what coding really is in detail.
Code for Cape Town has really helped me because I want to be an entrepreneur one day. So like learning about open data and learning to code is really helpful for the kind of thing I want to do in the future.
The Open Data Code for Cape Town module was a short course that we did, a 3-day course, teaching the Code for Cape Town girls about open data and how we take data and turn it into something really interesting, turn it into a story.
At Code for South Africa, we use data and technology to promote informed decision-making that drives social change. For the girls, the data module introduces them to exploring data, finding data, cleaning it, and understanding it and analyzing it. It's not just a programming exercise for them, but it's actually a different way of working with data and structuring their thinking, no matter what field they'll be going into.
The next thing we're going to do is the girls are going to come back and join us for a hackathon, where we're going to fill this place out with a whole lot of experts working on the same problem, which in this case will be water security, and they're going to be able to join these expert groups working on a real South African problem that will have an effect, a positive effect for the entire country.
Code for Cape Town has been awesome, especially today's hackathon, because being with so many people qualified, older than us, I'm so comfortable being here and I'm so grateful for this opportunity because we've been introduced to so many different people with so many different abilities and skills that we can learn so much from, and also it makes us feel like we play an important part in this community that we, even as young as we are, we can help.
What Code for Cape Town is doing with this initiative is it's really just showing that this is for everyone. There is no gender in coding, and it's an amazing innovation.
I think that it's important for young women, and I think young people in general, to be trained in tech, to be trained with coding skills, because it's the future, it's where everything is going.
There's such huge value in the girls learning from companies themselves, being able to build relationships with people working in particular fields, and build relationships with the companies that we hope one day will employ them.